It's time for the second period. So 3-2 Carolina after they look great for the Canes. Damn, the shots are going even. 18 apiece. Hits Devils 8-5, but the Canes won every faceoff. And they're great, very great start now. It's looking okay. It's gonna be a nail biter. It's a 1-goal lead. Stahl, Jokinen, Whitney scores! It deflects off Brodeur, shoulder. It's 4-2 Hurricanes. That's a Carolina Hurricanes goal. So they get the 2-goal lead back. Ray Whitney.
First, the shot comes back out on the rebound. And then it's sent right back in again, off the goalie's shoulder and into the net in the blink of an eye. Great goal.
Jokinen to pretend to Whitney, trying to get a second. The Canes goal. Ray Whitney trying to get another goal right there. White. Sajak. Jersey a shot. Save. Elias. Saved by Legacy.
Body in between the net and the shooter. 12. Canes
leading by 2. Ray Whitney. Shot Brodeur saves it.
Blocker to make the stop on a powerful slap shot in the neutral zone.
Elias, a shot, save, scores! Elias shoots it on the side, and the Devils are back within 1. Patrick Elias, his second of the game. It's 4-3 now, Hurricanes. Wow, the Devils will not quit. Pesky Devils aren't quitting. It's a 1-goal game again. Jokinen, Ray Whitney. Shot was blocked by Murphy. Tubers. Here's Jamie Langbrother. Shot saved by Legacy. Double save. It's in the crease. Whitney. It's hit by Murphy. What a hit. Kovalchuk. The shot was blocked by Gleason. Here's Stahl. Whitney. A shot. Brodeur saves and covers up. 14:54 to go.
Brodeur in goal, ready to protect that right side of the net on the faceoff.
Go, Canes, go!
Motto. Zone.
Backhand shot. It's to Niedermeyer, his teammate's getting on the head. Oh, he missed. That hit the post. That somehow beat Legacy, but unfortunately it hit the post. So the Canes are very fortunate to have their lead right now. Legacy. Save. Here's Cole. Samsonov. A shot. Samsonov couldn't do anything.
Randy, he did a nice job of deflecting that shot using the right pad.
Harrison gets it. Cole. Save. Brodeur covers up. 12:09 to go.
Endless source of information.
I'm second.
Down to get the scoop. What do you know, buddy? Well, Randy, a little while ago,
Wendell Moore and Patrick Elias took the face-offs. Carson, a chance. Save. Rutu, a hole that just goes wide off Brodeur's pad. Sajak. Oh, Sajak was hit down. Elias Brodeur saves it. Sajak gets it to Elias. Shoots it wide. There's Martin. Shot. Save. Legacy. Another shot. Save. Harrison to Rutu. Wendell Moore. Brodeur saves it. Sajak to Elias. The Devils trying to tie it. Down by 1. Elias again. Save. Legacy saving the Canes right now. Hurricanes couldn't do anything. Carolina, Wendell Moore. Saved by Brodeur. Pass went nowhere. Oh, the puck intercepted by Murphy. Salvador, Paris, Elias, saved by Legacy.
With a nice save. I mean, this is a thing of beauty.
The Rose, Wendell Moore.
Blocker.
Parise.
Over to Elliott.
Elliott's to Sajak. Saved by Legacy off the slap shot. Rose. Oh, what a hit. That's the hit of the game. Oh, Corey Murphy shapes, scores! Elias shoots it in! And the game is tied! 4-4. Excuse me, that was Elias. That was Sajak. Travis Sajak shot it in. Elias was behind Sajak, but wow! So the Devils rally from a 3-goal deficit to tie this game. Wow. What bad luck for the Hurricanes. Now they have to start all over. Super. This is a big game for the Hurricanes. They need a win, or else tomorrow they could be facing elimination for the first game I do with my doubleheader. And if they do get eliminated, then I'll start the fourth and final. Oh! Brandon Amour's shot was saved by Brodeur, but then the puck, after he saved it, just bounced behind him, and the Canes get the lead back, 5-4. That's a Carolina Hurricanes goal. Let me show you. See? Look at that. See? That's bad. That's tough luck for Brodeur. See, he did save it, but then the puck dribbled behind him. So the Canes get the lead back. So they hold it though. They've had a couple of leads. So that in each game, the winning team scored 5 goals. So can the Canes keep that tradition up? Don't take my number. Save. Second. Stall. Martin. Jokinen. Brodeur saved that. 2:40 to go. Saved by Legacy. Picking it. Whitney. Eric Stahl gets run into. There's New Jersey. Zubris scores! It goes in! And it's tied again. 5-5. So it looks like the winning team will not score 5 goals this game. The winning team will have at least 6 goals. So we will see a 6 for this first. Damn! The Devils are just fighting. This is a back and forth. The Devils haven't led in this game yet, but they have fought back from many deficits. This is what, the 3rd time they've came back. They were down 3-0, 4-3, and then 5-4. Niedermeyer scores! What? And the Devils now lead 6-5. Oh my goodness, what stunnment for the Canes! Oh, that was bad defense. And an easy shot for Niedermeyer. And the Devils are up 6-5 with a minute 11 to go. Wow! What is this Carolina Hurricanes crowd feeling? What? Samsonov? Oh my goodness! The shot goes off the post and beats Brodeur. And the game is tied again, 6-6. This is probably the most wildest game, folks. That's a Carolina Hurricanes goal. Woo, woo, woo. Well, how many times I got to say that? 40 seconds left of this long second period. Almost 9 minutes pushing. Damn. Sajak. Saved by Legacy. Oh, Gleason clears the way, and we will end the second period tied 6-6. Who will win this crazy game?